Welcome to MarineMax at Somers Point. My name's Bill Hurd. Today we're going to take a look at a 2019 Sailfish 270 center console. Starting up here in the bow of the boat, great setup for family and fishing. Dual boxes, insulated fish boxes on each side. You can use them for either food or for the fish that you catch during the day. So get down out of the way, fully padded, great area to lay out. Again, point this out, Sailfish, it's a great thing. They flip it this way, use it as a backrest, and then it flips out of the way. You can use that as a bolster to lean on for fishing. One of the biggest things with a Sailfish boat, how deep you are in the boat. Whether you're fishing offshore, fishing the back bays, or you have your family on board, it's great. You're very deep in the boat, very safe. Nothing to worry about with somebody going overboard. As we continue to move back, there is a Yeti cooler up here as well, so you can use that for your food and then again for your fish down here. Great thing with the 270 center console, very large head area underneath of the console. Table stores under there, you can clip that up in the bow for when you're eating. Again, I'll point out the walkways on the Sailfish, very wide, very easy to maneuver around this boat. Nothing to run into or get snagged on as you're fishing. Nice tow rails under here, it's a great option. Again, I'll point out the depth of the boat back here in the cockpit. I'm 6'2", you can see that it comes pretty much halfway up my thigh. So again, when I'm fishing offshore, very stable in the boat. So we move back into the transom. Awesome setup for fishing. Got a nice prep station here with a sink, storage underneath for all your tackle. Great flip out seat here on the transom that folds up out of the way. Again, signature for Sailfish is their ski pole that goes down. That way you're not going to get snagged on it while you're fishing. Plenty of rod storage, cup holders along the back, and as well you have the jump seats that go in and out to add some more of that. As we go back a little bit forward to the helm, nice Garmin screen here. Everything is very easy for the captain to use. Flip up thigh-high bolsters, Yamaha 200s. If you notice up on the top, it's matched with the blue to match the side hull. Awesome feature that they put onto this boat. Nice net storage here for life jackets and such. So again, awesome boat, 270, great offshore warrior, and then it's also great for your family as well. If you'd like to take another walkthrough in person, give us a call, 609-926-0600. Thank you.